Hello guys, Kawaiti Friends, kamusta? Good afternoon. Magpakulo tayo ng pork. Ayan, magluluto po tayo ng pork binagoongan na kasamang eggplant. Ayan. Haluan po natin ng talong ang ating pork binagoongan. Ayan, pakulo po muna tayo ng pork. Ayan po. Ayan, hello, White Friends. Kamusta everybody? Kamusta? Happy Wednesday. Thursday pala. Thursday na pala, guys. Ayan, kamusta everybody? To all White Friends. How's going on, guys? Ito na, guys, ang ating eggplant. Ayan, nakahalo na po. Ayan, nakalagay na po ang ating eggplant. Bagoong liempo, binagoong liempo with eggplant. Ayan, nakahalo na po. Halukay ulit po tayo. Halukay. Bagoong liempo, binagoong liempo with eggplant. Ayan na. And thank you so much for watching. Magluluto tayo para sa ating tanghalian. And thank you so much mga ka-Whitey Friends. How's going on everyone, guys? Big love shout out. Eto na, guys, paluto na po ang ating binagoongang liempo, pork liempo with eggplant. Ayan, paluto na po. Ayan, halukay sa ating pork liempo binagoongan with eggplant. Ayan, for today, for our lunch. Ayan, thank you so much for watching, Kawaiti Friends. How's going on, everybody? Thank you so much, good afternoon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mega loud shout out to everybody. Ayan, happy Thursday to everybody. Bye, Kawaiti Friends. Kamusta everyone? Mananghalian na po tayo.